Hi ladies, Yaurana. Welcome in this video, the first video in English in my channel. So I'm very happy to welcome you today, Maeva and Manava, we say in Rio Tahiti. So we are live from Tahiti, and I want to share with you two very basic steps today. And the third one is going to be the farapu. I'm sure you like it and you want to know all the secrets. So we're going to do three different steps today, very basic steps. So we're going to warm up a little bit our body, and then we're going to do these three steps. So this video is very beginners friendly, and also it's very good if you want to start again and clean your basics. So I hope you will enjoy. I hope you will understand my English because obviously I'm French speaker. And if you have any question, you can text me, and I will be very happy to help you in your Ori Tahiti journey. So let's start with the warm up on the fusion of PE. Here we start with the head. Yes, big yes. Well done, ladies. So now you just shake your legs a little bit because we were staying in that position. So you always have to remember that you need to stay grounded in Ori Tahiti. Okay, so when you are in that position, it's very good because you are growing up, but then you are grounded here. You know what I mean? And you have to feel here that you are very based in the ground. Your weight is more on the back of your feet, okay? Not in the front, because if you go in the front, you're gonna fall, and eventually you will have problem with your knees. So when you do Ori Tahiti or any kind of other dance, you have to be careful about your position, and you have to be aware about if you feel pain. Okay, if you feel pain in your body somewhere, you have to stop. If you feel pain in your knees, you have to stop as well, breathe, and maybe see if it's something that is really a problem or if it's a bad position. You can still text me and we can figure it out together. So let's start now with the lower body, lower body. Breathe. Here, you open your feet, go down, and you start. Left, right. And you put, you see, your hands on your hips. Don't lift your feet for now. This is the tamau, Tahiti tamau. Play with your knees. Keep going. Very well. We try to go faster. You can lift your feet a bit. Keep going. Your knees. Okay, now you come closer with your feet. Lift your feet. Try to go more in the left and right. Good. Stay engaged here. Breathe. And now, go faster with me. Breathe. Going. Really be straight. Keep going. To the end. Hey, and you finish with a pose always. If you're on the side, if you're in the front, if you're in the back, you always finish with a nice feminine pose. Okay, well done. So now we are going to go around. So we did the tamau, Tahiti tamau here. It's the very first step, and then we're gonna do the tumami, ami. Right? So one side and other side as well. When we have the feet apart, it's always to practice, right? And then when we dance, we use more the feet together, right? For all the steps, basically. So we're gonna do now a round on the spot because it's the very first class. And then we're gonna do the farapu because the farapu is the next step after the tumami. Because this is the fastest one, but also a round. So let's do again this music, this amazing music together, but with going around. So you always do think about soften your knees, working with your knees, right? In the front, in the back. Staying grounded. So feet apart here. You go around. Gently. can lift your finger tips. Change. Keep going. So you need to go really in the front, side and back. Huh? Change. So you need to see a line or a few lines here because you really go in front. Right? Change. I'm going to do from the back for you. Good. Change. And change. Change. Okay. You close your feet. You bend your knees. And here we go. Change the side. Keep going. Change the side. Breathe. Change. And pose. Hey! Popo mete. Congratulations. Bravo. So now you shake your legs again. So you do like feet bum. How can we say? Talon fesse in French. Okay. Poof, poof like this. It's better for your legs. Okay, you breathe. If you need to have a little bit of water, just take a little bit. We're gonna do farapu now. How exciting, how exciting. So about the farapu. You need to know that we're gonna start with the feet apart again to practice. And then we're gonna put our feet together because that's the position, the right position to do farapu. So we're gonna do from right to left because for me it's the best advice I can give you today is to practice both sides. Even if you have only one side who is the best. Okay, so mine is clockwise. Yours is maybe anti-clockwise. So you have to start. You have to try with me now. And you will feel if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we're gonna practice both. I always practice both every week with my students. The level is going higher and higher when you do this. But then when we're going faster and we want to practice farapu, you will need to focus on your good side, right? Let's do this. So breathe all the time here. Okay, it's like running. You need really to breathe, and you need to here feel your abs and your pelvic floor as well. Not all the time very strong, but you need to feel it, okay? To keep the control. And always work with your knees. Your knees are your best friends. So here you're in position. You do fists here. And we start one side. So here you stay closer. Okay? You don't go far, like tumami just before. Change side. Change. Soften your fingers. Change side. Your weight is more on the back, huh? Keep going. Change. Change. Keep going. Here you open your arm. Taraba. Change side. Change. Well done, ladies. Change. Good. Well done. So now we're going to do the same with the feet together. We're not going very fast because it's the first class again, and you need to feel the movement. Okay, it's better to start from the beginning than trying to go faster and then it doesn't work, and you need to hurt yourself as well. Here, position, bend your knees, breathe, and we start. Watch my knees. Change. 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 Okay, so be careful about your upper body. Okay, you don't want to see this. Change. You know, or this, or with one hand. No, keep straight. Change. Put your arms here. Your elbows need to be here, straight to your shoulders. Keep going. You don't want to move here, huh? No. Change. Keep going, I'm turning for you. Watch my knees, change. Keep going. No, it's already the end. Can't believe it. So, last from the back. Like this you can practice and really watch the movement from the back. And we will try to go faster, right? Going faster by going faster with your knees. Let's go, whatever. Change. Change. I'm watching you. Change. Don't lift your feet. Make a break. Again. Change side. Change. Change. Last one. I come back to you. You need to go in the front. Remember. Go here. Watch my belly. Change side. Change. Try to go faster. And pause. Yes, ladies, well done. I'm very proud of you because this is the very first video in English I've got in my all Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channels. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you understood better these 3 steps. from really the basics of Ori Tahiti. If you have any question, you can drop comment below. You can text me also on my social media. And I'm going to be very happy to host you in a program that will start in January 2026. So if you have any question, please contact me. I'm very happy to share this love with you. The culture of French Polynesia, the music, the pehe, the himene, everything, the flowers, the dress, the jewelry. This is a very beautiful, amazing culture. So see you very soon. Nana!